In this video I'm going to show you how to do the scanning with your Epson WorkForce 2960 all-in-one printer. So you can see this printer has a ADF tray on the top. If you lift from here, it will just open this section and we can scan multiple pages from here. And if you have a passport or ID, you can just lift this section and then you can scan it here. So let's do the scanning. So first I'm going to use the ADF tray. So place the pages on the top facing upward. You can place number of pages here, adjust the size, go to the search and type in Epson and open the Epson scan to utility or scan to app. In this app you will see on the top your scanner 2960 with default settings, and if you want to make any changes you can just do at this page, and once you are ready click on the scan button. So it has done the scanning. Automatically it will open the folder on your laptop and you can just open the file from there. Now take the pages. You can close it if you don't want to use this section, and if you want to use the top scanner, just open the lid, place any document or file you want to scan from here, facing down. Again same way, you just have to click on the scan. Automatically it will detect if it's scanner bed or if it's a ADF tray, and again it will open the destination folder. So this way we can do the scanning and automatically it is saved to your laptop or your PC. Thanks for watching.